Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I've been a victim of always losing my keys or my family losing their keys, but not anymore because we have the SCHLAGE Smart Lock. This is an awesome product. This is just what we needed. It comes in different styles and trims and colors. This one happens to be the satin nickel. It is a deadbolt, which adds a level of protection, and it was very easy to install with just a screwdriver, very easy to install. I also love the fact that it's a smart lock, so it can be paired with Alexa or Echo or any smart device. The keypad is fingerprint resistant, so no smudges, which allows me to always be able to see the numbers there. Now, if I lose my keys, I can just use the simple to use, very easy keypad with just one touch. And it has a really great safety feature, so if the wrong number is punched in, the deadbolt will not open. But I like the fact that the deadbolt is very easy to use, even with the key. So once I download the app onto my phone, I can unlock or lock the deadbolt no matter where I am. So if I forget to lock my door and I'm already in my car, I can just press the button and the door locks. It's awesome. So this is the Smart Deadbolt Lock by SCHLAGE. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.